because I don't have a scissor, so let's use this. Okay, so comes with, guess what's it? What is this one? Okay, so let's open this. We'll set it up together after. So what we have here is, we can use this like, he loved me not. He loved me not. Let's do it later. So we do have this 4 terabytes hard drive. We are gonna replace one of our old hard drive downstairs for our network attached storage, and we are gonna be replacing it because one of it gave up, and which is, I think it's good also, because that's the one we have is 1 terabyte, so it's better that we have this bigger storage. So this is really good. It's from Seagate, and just in case one of the hard drive give up again, so it's better to have one extra, you know. It's better to have extra, don't forget. And I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do it, and of course let's set it up now. Let's go. So this is where we're gonna put our hard drive. This is not working, but we'll do it, we'll fix it later. And so this one's beeping right now because one of our hard drive failed, so that's why we are replacing it into this one. So okay, so you guys, we already removed the hard drive that failed already, so we are going to be replacing it. So just make sure that you lock this thing properly here, so when you are trying to place it, you'll just have to remove it, like 2 of them, and of course remove the drive like this. So we'll put it back because this is the new one that we have. Click, make sure it's locked, and there you go. So we'll just have to put it back, slide it back here, slowly back there, and lock it. We don't have, we lose the thing here, so we'll use the star screw. And yeah, it should be right now. That's done, and we'll just have to set it up here. So it says degraded here, and then it shows here we have 3 drives that is working, and then of course we have the unused drives, that one we just add. So all we have to do is go to the storage pool, and then you can see storage pool has degraded. We suggest replacing the filling drive, blah blah blah. And then of course you can see like the ones what do you call that. Okay, so what we could do is we'll go to action and then repair, and then one or more drive storage pool have been detected as containing bad blah. You'll just have to do yes, click yes, then next, and then all data and the newly added drive will be erased. So we don't have to worry about it because that drive is new, we just got it. So we'll just click OK, and then So it's done now. So drives, 4 drive, it's there, it's been repaired. It's about 6.35 terabytes that we have right now in our Synology. So we'll wait, it's saving. Well, and we should see that it's still loading. Should see that's going to be fixed real soon. It's really slow still. Yeah, we're repairing. So as you can see, it says healthy already, so it's been done. So that's done already, and then yeah, everything's working. Actually recording it. I'm actually recording the screen right now, so we'll see if it's saved. We're gonna be saving it in our storage. So I will check if our file's still there, didn't gone missing. We'll double check. So we'll just go to our file station, and I'd go to my share because I have my things saved there, and this is my folder. I said don't touch. This is actually my old pictures. Let's see one video if it's working. No, I don't want to save it. That's the image. Yeah, so it's there. This is my old files, guys. I never delete my things, so it's working right now. Let's just pick random pictures, and if it's working, yeah, this is my old vacation with my friends. We right there.